Turmeric is a spice that is common in Asian cuisines, especially in curries. Known for its bright golden hue, it's full of health benefits. Turmeric is helpful in balancing your mood, regulating blood sugar, and easing joint discomfort. Turmeric has also been linked to improved brain, cardiovascular, and tissue health. It's definitely worth working into your diet. Golden milk aids in digestion and relaxation, so it's best to have before bed. Choose your milk. In a saucepan, heat your milk of choice. Coconut milk, almond milk, or rice milk are all tasty choices. Add spices. Add turmeric powder, grated ginger, black pepper, and cinnamon. Let it simmer to combine the flavors, and then strain the milk. Make it sweet. If you feel the need to sweeten, try organic honey or agave nectar. Turmeric is a close relative to ginger, and they both help reduce inflammation in the body. Black pepper is a necessary companion to turmeric, as it increases absorption. Try our organic turmeric and black pepper extract. Simply take a few drops every day to experience the health benefits turmeric has to offer. Visit our natural health articles to learn more about the health benefits of turmeric.